In this video, I will show you how to count cells equal to specific value in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here, I have an Excel sheet containing some products and their colors. I want to count all the products having blue color. My objective is to count cells equal to a specific value. In this case, I want to count cells that contain blue text. To count the cells equal to a specific value, we can use the COUNTIF function. The COUNTIF function counts the number of cells that match the given criteria, and it takes two arguments. The first argument is the range of the cells and the second argument is the criteria. So let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type COUNTIF and then an opening bracket. Select the range of the cells containing the data. Now type a comma to enter the second argument, which is the criteria. Since we want to count cells containing the text blue, I am going to type blue in the double quotes. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have a count of cells containing the specific text blue. We can also use the SUMPRODUCT function to count cells equal to a specific value in Excel. Here is the formula to do that. Here, the C3 to C6 equal to blue expression returns an array of 4 elements containing true, false, false, and true. True value is returned when the cell contains the value blue, and false is returned when the cell does not. We can verify that by selecting that part of the formula and pressing the F9 key on the keyboard. Since the range we specified contains blue in the first and last cells, it returned true for both of the cells and false for the other cells. For the SUMPRODUCT function to work, we need to convert these true and false values to 1 and 0 respectively. We did that by applying the double negative minus minus. After the double negative operation, our formula will look like is equal to SUMPRODUCT having an array of 1, 0, 0 and 1. And the result of that formula is 2. Watch this video to learn how to remove decimal values from numbers in Excel. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.